Hi guys, and welcome back to DBMFX. Today I'd like to introduce you to one of my special tools that I have in my toolbox. It is an overlay indicator mixed up with the Waddah Attar explosion, and I have the baseline of the Kijun-sen that I like to use. So at the same time we have the no-nonsense Forex ATR, where you can actually see that you can, let's say, let's put, for example, we had a buy position whenever the candle close above, we are green, all green. So let's see, we take this buy, so you have a win. The ATR, it's 1.5 for the stop loss and 1 time for take profit. In this situation, you take your profit there. The candle just retrace, you wouldn't go on it because it's still showing green. The price is still, the candles, they're still above the Kijun-sen, so that means only buy positions. So our main rules here, they are no positions taken if the price, it's not above or below for either sell or buy or sell. So if the price it is above the Kijun-sen, and we have volume on the market, and then we have the LSMA indicator, which is this green one, the one that I was on to show you today. It's 14 period, it's just a standard one. If the price is just above the line and meets the criteria, that means we're gonna go long. If the price is below the Kijun-sen, the candle closed below, and then we have the volume as well on the market, then we'll take a short, and the indicator, the LSMA indicator, would show green, red. You would go for a sell. For example, in this situation here, we wouldn't touch it, because if you would wait until the candle close for you to take the position, regardless the LSMA, if you would go and sell here, you'd have a loss. So Kijun-sen stop it to do that. Okay, so for example, in this situation, whenever the indicators start to show you, for example here in this case, the candle close above, see if actually this one is still, if it was a green or not. Let's see, for example, whenever this turn green, and if you take this one, for example, right, it's still a win, because you would open the position here and you would have to wait 1, 2, 3 days. For the 5th day you'd be on the win, but it never hit your stop loss. Okay, and then the candle actually retrace and then close above again. I'm not sure now if it is still a green or not, but even if it was there a green, if it was the indicator green, you'd be able to go for it. So that was actually quite good. And then as well on the next one again, you have, let's see, if you take this one here, you'll be again on the win, so you'd have another win. And then let's go a bit backwards. Let's start Let's have a quick look from, let's say, from January and see how this would have performed. Right, so let's say from January, let's say from the 6th. So actually in December the price was just going up. We would have, let's see, from December you would have you would have a win here, take profit, and then after that the market just retraced a bit. You wouldn't touch it because no volume. Again, there's no volume, and then the candles, they are going down, and then the indicator still shows green, so that means you wouldn't go for it. Then the next candle just shows it's a bearish candle, but we are above the Kijun-sen, so we wouldn't touch it. We'll have to wait until the candle close below. So here in this situation we are just on the limit, but this would be a bit hard to say take it or not take it, but I think always in doubt you better stay out. So actually you can see that after that candle the market was showing no volume, but actually another bullish candle just formed, so you'd have to wait until the next bearish candle just form up here. The prices candles close below the Kijun-sen, the LSMA is red. We have the volume in the market only from here, so actually from the next, this would be your next entry. No, I think it's this one. Yeah, well, anyway, you would be able to go even from here, and you would take profit, either that, and let's see, even if you take from here you'd have a win as well. And then the way that the Waddah Attar still shows red here, you are still able to probably continue the trade, or until you're gonna see a yellow area, and then but the price is still far below on the under the Kijun-sen, which that's a good indication that the price is still has to drop. So actually, let's see, if you went with this and you drill stop your stop loss, and you probably just take profit down here, but usually just go for your 1 to 1.5 ratio for now, until you're gonna be more profitable and you're gonna understand, because if you're looking to chase too many pips, you can actually lose more than what you are thinking. Okay, so have a plan, have some rules, and stick to them. Okay, even see in this situation, whenever there was no volume in the market, the yellow lines start to form, and then right away it's a green, that kind of the market meant to push up again. The price is still below the Kijun-sen, so you wouldn't go and buy it there. Okay, and then right away the candle never close above, it's just below the Kijun-sen, and as soon as the candle here form, start to a bearish trend, so you would go and take a sell here. So here it would go bearish, you would have a win, and then this one here, you would have probably, if you would trail it, okay, if you trail the stop loss, you take 100 and a good 100, let's say you probably take you could have taken 200 pips, right? 200 pips move from here to here where your indicator actually there is 228. That would be a really nice move. Okay, you don't need to be on the market all the time, you just need to be on the specific time. You need to just watch and wait until the candles they just form the way you need them. Okay, don't rush the market, because if you rush the market you won't get actually what you really need. You just put yourself in doubt, and you'd be no cautious with what actually you are doing. See, for example, this uptrend again, you'd wait until the price close above. Let's see, you would take this entry, okay, now from here, that would be by 55 pips, but as well you have your volume behind, which shows you that the market is so powerful coming up again. So if you would just take profit there, well, that's fine. You would be able to enter again if you want. You'd be able to enter here and take profit again, or you could have trailed it. And let's see, if you trail your stop loss, you would have from this one here, let's see, to that one there, 434 pips, 434, yeah, there it is, some big amount of pips actually. And see, the price is still above the Kijun-sen, so you just wait until the price is below your baseline, whatever the baseline you are using, and then only you would go and, for example, like here, you'd go and sell this here and another win. Okay, and after you done that, if you would trail again your stop, which I usually do that myself, it's a bit scary, but I do that myself, you'd make some money. You would just ride you'd ride that trend a bit more. So let's see, even if you were to here, okay, 219 pips, but usually if you are in doubt, seeing the way that the price top here, you don't want to really stay more longer, because these candles that whenever they are halfway built, you see that the market is very undecided. So if you're in doubt, just get out. You just make your pips for that week. Let's see, you enter here on the 17th, right? And then on the 19th we are out. 2 days, 303 pips. Not bad. That's quite good, right? This one we wouldn't go yet. That price just closed above, but let's see, even if here it is, it was the volume, okay, so let's see, that would probably be a loss. Yeah, the price would never make it there. You'd probably want to go on that, but see, as soon as that closed and opened the other one, the price probably, no, you wouldn't even go for it, because look, whenever that candle closed, the price opened just below the candle, below the Kijun-sen, your baseline, and you wouldn't even go for it. And then you just wait until you would get a sell signal, which you don't have it yet. That is still yellow. Here's a bit volume, but you wouldn't go for that. Whenever this one here just turned red, it's a bit too late, because there's no volume, so you just pass that. That will be only consolidation time. You would pass that. Let's see if from here, if you would probably sell this. Yeah, if you would sell, but here was no volume as well. And if you sell this, no, I think whenever that just close, that would be too high. I think you wouldn't go on that too. Right, the price went above. Let's see if this one would be a loss or not. Yeah, this would be 80 pip loss. You'd buy that, yeah, wouldn't be so great. But another thing, guys, what you have to just realize, make sure that you just trade with the phones that you can afford to lose. So we had so many amount of wins, but you can lose too, so you need to make sure that you are well prepared for all the unfortunate times, okay? Because we try to not be coin flippers, okay? We're not flipping coins here, we are not tossing a coin, we are just going by certain rules. If the rules they are not met, we just stay out, okay? Like for example, this place here, you'd buy that to be a win 70 pips, but since you get the signal down here below, the market just close above. Even if you'd go on this, right, because that close above, if you take from here, that would be a win. And let's see from here, if you would take this one here and write that roughly, let's see, just to here, 455, even to this one here, 413 pips, you would have made some money. And then you are just on the right direction. Even here, this one here, I think we are not far out. I think that one probably just gonna retrace a bit now, because just overtake this high and this high, and I think that one will just slam down shortly. So we'll see anyway how it goes. I think that would be it. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, click the notification bell, and like that you're gonna be aware when the next video gonna come up. Thank you for watching again, and have a good trading, and stick to your rules, guys. Main thing, stick to your rules. Okay, see you in the next one. Good luck.